Good morning. It's a great honor for me as the Dean of the Faculty of Exact Sciences here in Tel Aviv University and as a faculty member of the School of Mathematical Sciences to open this unique conference named Visions in Mathematics. About 2 years ago, Vitaly Milman told me about the idea of hosting in Tel Aviv University this special conference where first-rate mathematicians from all over the world will discuss the importance, the methods, the future, and the unity of mathematics as we approach the year 2000. Today, this idea comes true, and we open the conference with participants from all over the globe, including top-rated mathematicians and also very important non-mathematicians. Looking at the list of subjects to be discussed today and the days afterwards, like geometry, ergodic theory, discrete mathematics, mathematical physics, computer sciences, analysis, number theory, and algebra, it seems that Tel Aviv University is the perfect choice for the main site of this conference, as the School of Mathematical Sciences here has a very unique structure, having under one umbrella 4 departments: pure mathematics, applied mathematics, computer sciences, and statistics operation research, where all these subjects are taught and researched. I wish you all a successful conference and fruitful discussions, and I am sure that your discussions will have impact on the future of mathematical research in the next millennium. Finally, I would like to thank the organizing committee, Noga Alon, Jean Bourgain, Ellen Cohn, Misha Gromov, and Vitaly Milman, who made this dream come true, especially before the start of the year 2001, and especially before Bug 2000. Thank you all, and good luck in this conference. Vitaly,
so first, please read pages which you have. We try not to put unnecessary pages, so some pages are important. Then I have standard obligation to send sources of support. And it's in some sense very easy because it was only Tel Aviv University and no other sources. I don't like 10th organization giving peanuts but demanding full participation in the list, so we cancel all of them. But inside Tel Aviv University, it is divided. 90% is School of Mathematics, but 10% it is Dean, Rector and President. I personally don't like it usually to have so many people above us, but in this particular situation I would ready to have much more, but it is only what we have, so this is 3 persons who support it. And inside School of Mathematics, it's also divided. It's Institute of Mathematics, it's Minerva Center, Minkowski Center for Geometry, very important support. And it is also some chairs of our school and some distinguished lecturers, which we put here to have this all together. So I believe that I didn't forget any other source. And now about structure of talk. So first 2 days first are different from week after that, see discussions and lectures. Because between 4 subjects, in very rough and broad sense, which we have on first 2 days, 3 of them discussions will be on the Dead Sea. So word discussion is strange. Usually it is not usual for mathematical conferences. And 2 years ago when this idea was discussed, it was mainly Misha Gromov and Alan Cohn who wanted to see this slightly differently and wanted to have discussions. And there exists one sentence of Gromov which I like, so I will repeat. He said that even mathematicians, that also, perhaps, also mathematicians, have right to speculate once per century. So perhaps it's not good to do this much more than once per century for mathematicians, but 1 per century. And so we try to put such discussions. It's absolutely not clearly how it will go. And if it will not go, we will have more time for lunch, no tragedy, and it will be finished a little bit earlier. But in this first today in the evening, it will be discussion because it's 4 subjects, which is not represented in Dead Sea. So after this, situation will be the following. After lunch, we put only 30 minutes. Of course, for real discussion, it's not enough. But we meant that it would be hard job of chairmen. By the way, chairmen have here important role beside to say name and titles, but to feel if questions are developing into discussion. And if this happens, then perhaps to develop that to the right point and then to switch to special time which we will put for this discussion, okay? And so this 30 minutes after that time, it is only to develop discussion or perhaps finish. If not, we will give special time. So it should be just remembered. Okay, it is all which I want to say in introduction. Of course, I already would like to thank you that you came. But besides this, all our secretaries, which continue to do this excellent job, and without them, just nothing could be done, of course. So, you see, we're so short that we even have 7 minutes before first talk of Gromov.